You remember too much, my mother said to me. Why hold on to all that? And I said, where do I put it down? Everything that feels suffocating teaches us how to breathe. Sometimes it's suffocating by being surrounded with happiness and not being able to feel it. Her lungs were collapsing from the growing pressure of all the words she wasn't saying. The silence was suffocating. Why do dreams seem to slip away the harder we hold on to them? Do they feel suffocated too? Don't suffocate your spirit for the lessons that were only passing through the spring. If you don't love it, you are going to fail. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. You have to have a lot of passion for what you are doing because it's so hard. If you don't, any rational person would give up. Without that, there would be very little progress. We are here to put a dent in the universe, otherwise, why else even be here? Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. I am actually as proud of many of the things we haven't done as the things we have done. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. A lot of times people don't know what they want until you show it them. You don't lose real friends, real opportunities, or real relationships when you start standing up for yourself and setting clear boundaries. You lose abusers, manipulators, narcissists, attention seekers, and mental health destroying leeches. At last, the best blood group matching for human has been found with leeches and chameleons. You see a person's true colors when you are no longer beneficial to their life. There is a big difference between truly needing welfare and being a habitual societal leech. No matter how old you get, the hole in your heart created by your father's absence still aches. When you have a good mother and no father, God kind of sits in. It's not enough, but it helps. God has always been to me not so much like a father as like a dear and tender mother. A mother deserves a day off to care for a sick child or sick parent without running into hardship. And you know what a father does too. It's time to do away with workplace policies that belong in a Mad Men episode. I get so sick and tired of hearing people gripe about what their parents did to them. You know what your parents did to you? The best thing they could do, the best thing they knew how, the only thing in many cases that they knew how. Nobody has set out maliciously to hurt their child unless they were psychotic. You know it already that each one of us is the effect of the infinite past. The child is ushered into the world not as something flashing from the hands of nature, as poets delight so much to depict, but he has the burden of an infinite past. For good or evil, he comes to work out his own past deeds. And poets by their sufferings grow, as if there were no more to do to make a poet excellent, but only want and discontent. Nothing's more dull and negligent than an old, lazy government that knows no interest of state but such as serves a present trade. Our lives today are not conducted in linear tones, they are much more quantified. A stream of random events is taking place. In a different time, in a different place, it is always some other side of our common human nature that has been developing itself. The actual truth is the sum of all these. Truth is contrary to our nature, not so error, and this for a very simple reason. Truth demands that we should recognize ourselves as limited. Error flatters us that in one way or another we are unlimited. It is much easier to meet with error than to find truth. Error is on the surface and can be more easily met with. Truth is hid in great depths. The way to seek doesn't appear to all the world. Truth is a gem that is found at a great depth. Whilst on the surface of the world all things are weighed by the false scale of custom. Women's natural role is to be a pillar of the family. The idea of my life as a fairy tale is itself a fairy tale. My nature is that I have to excite myself with a big challenge. I am excited by challenging myself physically and mentally every day. Creatively, I just enjoy challenging myself in different genders. Good listeners believe they can learn something from everyone. When people talk, listen completely. Most people never listen. A good listener is not only popular everywhere, but after a while he gets to know something. A good listener is a good talker with a sore throat. It takes a great man to be a good listener. Good listeners believe they can learn something from everyone. Good listeners, like precious gems, are to be treasured. Their eyes seemed rings from whence the gems were gone. The pearl is the queen of gems and the gem of queens. Some gems for the greatest of them all. Generally, you should never forget what a person says to you when angry, because that's when the truth finally comes out. The crookedness of the serpent is still straight enough to slide through the snake hole. Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent under it. Still, anyone who trusts a serpent deserves its bite. The wise see a creature for what it is, not what it says it may be. The serpent is wise in that it lives in immediacy without the need for the elaborate intellectual frameworks humankind is. If a man is as wise as a serpent, he can afford to be as harmless as a dove. Method is more important than strength when you wish to control your enemies. By dropping golden beads near a snake, a crow once managed to have a passerby kill the snake for the beads. The serpent, if it wants to become the dragon, must eat itself. Unless a serpent devours a serpent, it will not become a dragon. Unless one power absorbs another, it will not become great. Eternity is a circle, a serpent that swallows its own tail. Just as a snake sheds its skin, we must shed our past over and over again. Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent under it. Poor people complain about money they cannot get. Rich ones complain about money they cannot keep. Poor people spend their money and save what's left. Rich people save their money and spend what's left. Rich people invest money and poor people spend it. Rich people have money, poor people have faith. Poor people have more fun than rich people, they say, and I notice it's the rich people who keep saying it. Only poor people are weird, rich people are eccentric. Poor people make a very poor business of it when they try to seem rich. Rich people play the money game to win. Poor people play the money game to not lose. If you focus too much on the fools, you will eventually become one. The outcome is not up to you, the outlook is. We are not on the outside looking in, we are on the outside looking out. To be looked upon as a fool by an idiot is a true Canizer's delight. I am fond of observing how obsession is the most durable form of intellectual capital. Think of today as an opportunity to discover and grow beyond your mental and emotional discomfort. Inquiry and curiosity is really important in any profession, but definitely in what I do. And in parallel, you also need to be confident enough to try things. So it's a tricky thing sometimes to balance those two states. Strategy is important, but execution is everything. Incredibly successful people focus on executing incredibly well. The key to successful leadership today is influence, not authority. Leadership is taking responsibility while others are making excuses. Leadership is about making others better as a result of your presence and making sure that impact lasts in your absence. Leadership is not about being in charge. Leadership is about taking care of those in your charge. Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. Never forget what people say to you when they are angry. That's when the truth comes out. To be angry is to let others' mistakes punish yourself. It's never what people do that makes us angry. It's what we tell ourselves about what they did. Anger expressed in a healthy and positive way means that we channel emotional anger towards resolution, not attack. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. Where there is anger, there is always pain underneath. You cannot tell a hungry child that you gave him food yesterday. If poor people want food stamps, they should become a large-scale corporation. You cannot get rid of poverty by giving money to people. Poverty is not being without money, but being without hope. No two things differ more than abstract and actual poverty. Poverty is the only burden that is not lightened by sharing with others. Poverty is the worst form of violence. The future depends on what we do in the present. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. Hunger is not the worst feature of unemployment, idleness is. Hunger is never delicate. We don't need to cure hunger, we know how to solve hunger. It's food, it's nutrition, and it's really a question of access. The lack of access to proper nutrition is not only fueling obesity, it is leading to food insecurity and hunger among our children. Poverty is a very complicated issue, but feeding a child isn't. If we can conquer space, we can conquer childhood hunger. I would like to end world hunger and create world peace. Stop corruption, stop drugs getting to kids. We know that a peaceful world cannot long exist, 1/3 rich and 2/3 hungry. There are people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread. If you cannot feed 100 people, then feed just one.
ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।